They'll bring that pizza for you on the doorpost, and you just eat the pizza and go back to sleep. That's where this life has come to. Hello friends, welcome to another episode of my life experiences. My name is Wezi Nyanewa Sosola, your usual host. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This is a place where I share life experiences. Now, before I proceed, guys, I just want to make a call to subscriptions. Please, guys, I'm seeing you in my statistics. Some of you are just watching, but you're not subscribing. So, I'm giving you a moment. Just press that subscribe button. Where it's written subscribe, press there. Just press subscribe. When you press subscribe, press the like button, the thumbs up. Press that one. After doing that, go to the notification bell. There is a small bell on the side. Just go and press that notification bell. It's going to alert you each and every time I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Thank you for those subscriptions. Now, to proceed, guys, today I just want to talk about different approaches to life. What approach to life do you hold? Are you a creature of habit, somebody who likes to follow a structure, somebody who likes to follow a routine? Or are you somebody who doesn't mind about structure? You just follow life, letting life flow, and you go with it as the wind, wherever the wind takes you. What kind of a person are you? Because I like to learn, guys, the kind of life approach that you hold. I've read and I've also watched different videos of motivational speakers, self-help gurus, who literally teach people how to develop a routine, who teach people how to develop habits, and so on and so forth. And this is very good, because there are other people who have to be taught how to do stuff. Like, you have to be taught what time to wake up. Wake up at 5 a.m. When you wake up at 5 a.m., make sure you make the bed. Then when you make the bed, take a bath. Then go to the gym for exercise. When you go to the gym, come back and make your breakfast. And so on and so forth. So there are other people who have to follow a structure. Otherwise, they will not make life happen. They will not do anything. They will just lie down. They will just sleep. So we've come to that point in this world whereby we have to be taught. I think we don't have challenges enough in this life. Because life on its own, it has to push you. Life on its own, when you have that need in your life, it has to push you to do stuff. It should push you to do things. But we've come to a point whereby, guys, this is funny. How should somebody tell you what time of the day to wake up? Why should somebody teach you that you have to make a bed? For me, for example, when I go for my daily duties, I want to come back to a clean environment. I want to come back to an inviting bed. I want to come back to somewhere I can just sit, sleep, and relax. A clean environment relaxes you. A clean environment distresses you. It helps you relax and just to distress and remove all those hula balloons that were happening throughout the day. So that should be automatic, guys, that when I wake up, I have to make my bed. It should be automatic. So why should you need a self-help guru to tell you that develop these habits, make your bed, do this and that? There are other things, guys, that you need help with, and there are other things that you don't need help with. Maybe somebody can teach you, okay, how to have a quiet time. Maybe somebody can teach you that. But there are things that are supposed to be driven by the life needs. Where has life come to the point that people have to be taught? I think life has become too simplified. We need to go back to the stone ages or to the iron ages, to go back to those times when people really were working hard. They have to wake up and find food, fend for their families, feed their kids, feed their wives, their pregnant wives, or with the young kids. They had to do that. Because by then, we did not have these contraceptions. There were no contraceptions. So women were either pregnant or rearing small kids. And men had to go out there and fend for the family, get food, hunt. And women could go out and gather, find fruits, find seeds, find cereal, whatever they can, just to make their life move. But these days, you can just call KFC, you can just call Steers while seated on your bed and say, hey, can you please give me food? Then they will bring the food on your doorpost. They will bring that pizza for you on the doorpost, and you just eat the pizza and go back to sleep. That's where this life has come to, and it's very sad, because we are developing obesity, we are developing sicknesses, we are developing diseases. So really, these self-help gurus are very, very, very justified to develop these structures for people, because we've come to a point that we have to be told what to do. So what kind of person are you? Well and good if you are following a structure and it's helping you. That's very good. But I want to come to a point when somebody can just have a need, that this is the need that I have, and for me to satisfy this need, I need to do such a thing. I need to take up these responsibilities and so on and so forth. So when we are raising our kids, we should not raise them as if they are raising and giving everything on a silver platter. We should raise them to be kids who will be self-reliant, who will be self-dependent, who would want to do stuff on their own. They should not rely on somebody to be doing stuff for them. That kind of generation is the one that you should be striving to raise up. But the point that we've come to as a society, it's a very sad place. So, what kind of life approach are you following? So guys, it's very good to have a structure. It's very good to have a structure because it shows you the way that you should go. Where do you go? How do you get there? When do you get there? The resources that you want, and so on and so forth. So the structure puts all that into perspective. But for me, this year, I do not make annual resolutions, because I've come to a place whereby I've said, I've made structures, I've made these routines and structures long enough. This is the time for me now to just follow life as it flows. Because I think sometimes the structure restricts you to a box. It puts you to a box whereby when you just follow life, if challenges come to you, you just tackle them head on. When opportunities present themselves, you just exploit those opportunities. Whatever opportunity comes, it doesn't restrict you to this rigid path that this is what you had made at the beginning of the year and this is what you should follow. And at the end of the year, you have to make your review of the plan, if it's been achieved or not. And what happens when you haven't achieved what you had planned for? Then you become frustrated. Oh, I made these plans, I didn't achieve, and so on and so forth. You just bring unnecessary heartache and headache to you. That's why this year I said I'm not making annual resolutions. I'm just handling life head on. Whatever presents to me, I'm going to jump on that. Whatever opportunity, I'm gonna be driven. Yeah, guys, so whatever opportunity presents itself, I just want to exploit that opportunity and hoping that I get the best from it. I get the best outcome, because I'm going to put all my effort into that. Whatever challenges, I have to face them head on. So that's what I'm doing this year. I'm just following the wind wherever it takes me. I just want to be, I don't want to be restricted. I don't want to be put in a box. But if you are a person of a structure, if you are a creature of habit, go ahead and do that. But please, I want to hear your comments. What kind of life approach are you taking? What kind of life approach are you taking? For me, I don't want to be discouraged just because I haven't achieved some goals that I set for myself. Whatever achievement I make, I want to be excited for that. And taking this approach to life, I've found that I'm more happier. I've found that I'm more freer, and it's more satisfying to me as a person, because I'm not always on the chase for goals, for achievements. I'm not doing that. I've freed myself. So I found this approach to be quite beneficial to me. So just leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me, guys, what kind of approach are you adopting to life? Are you a structured creature of habit? Or are you somebody who lets life happen? Let it be, and you follow it wherever the wind takes you. What are the pros and the cons that you have learned following whatever approach that you are following? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. And at the end of everything, I would like to read Ecclesiastes 9 verse 11. I returned and I saw under the sun that the race is not for the swift, nor the battle to the strong, nor bread to the wise, nor riches to men of understanding, nor favor to men of skill, but time and chance happen to them all. So guys, it's just a matter of time and chance. It's time and chance. If you are looking for success in your life, just life as it happens, just handle life with all your effort, with all your might. Do the best that you can. When the time and the chance happens to you, it's gonna happen. You achieve what you want to achieve when the time comes. So it's just a matter of time and chance. And this is the words that I've started going by. Rest, oh my soul. Don't get troubled. Don't get troubled. It's a matter of time and chance. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed.